lot of the clients that we engage think of energy as a given. It's always going to be there. It's always going to be reliable. The reality is energy is one of the number one things that leads to disruptions of your hitting your critical business initiatives. So those disruptions, when they hit, they lead to labor shortage. They lead to all kinds of challenges that keep customers from hitting their ultimate goals. So having a good energy strategy can help mitigate some of those unplanned disruptions. Yeah, I think that really comes down to opportunity cost. So customers are really good at understanding what happens initially at an outage or a power quality event. Lost product, cost associated with that. What they often don't extrapolate to is how that impacts their ultimate goal. Displeased customers, loss of revenue, loss of big contracts because they had a penalty associated with what the outage ultimately caused them.